sometimes things can look strange to us, right? So about 4 years ago, I went to China, and while I was in China, I saw like every single taxi I sat in, the taxi driver was messaging, and when he was messaging, he was pressing this button, and then he would talk into it, and then he would stop messaging. And you know, it was very weird to see this, and especially like I was with my business partner, and I said, look at these guys, they're so weird, like they're doing all these voice notes to each other, and I'd never seen anything like it. And now I just sent a voice note, and I realized it's become such a natural thing for me. And it just like makes me think that, you know what, you shouldn't judge people, you shouldn't judge situations, you shouldn't judge the things that you see until you know. And I think that I just saw it and I judged it, and I thought lower of the person because they were using that technology. Whereas now, if I think about it, I love the technology of voice notes, probably because I like speaking, but also I found it to be very, very useful when communicating longer things. So it's a huge lesson for me that when you see other people doing things, try and see it from their perspective, try and see it deeper, try and actually get yourself into that position of empathy and understand what they're doing, and don't jump to judgments, because that's what we do as human beings very, very quickly.